Hello dears, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I am showing the recipe of a Semolina drink. We are preparing this drink especially during Ramadan. These are the main ingredients required for this drink. I have taken Semolina here, it's only 3 tablespoons. Then we need sugar and milk, water, cardamom, cashew nuts, kismis and some ghee. I'll give the measurement of ingredients in the description box as well. Please take a look. I have taken 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of water. Here, ghee is taken to fry the semolina, cashew nuts and kismis. We can have it at any time of day. After keeping a vessel, I have added some ghee and then these 3 tablespoons of semolina I have added into it. We just need to fry it for some time and the flame should be low. Otherwise, semolina will burn fast. After a couple of minutes, the semolina's color will slightly change to a golden brown. That time we can keep it aside. I have added the water and milk mixture also to the same pan and let it boil. Meanwhile, we can add sugar and cardamom into this mix of water and milk. Add a pinch of salt just to balance out the sweetness. Certain times our ultimate aim is to have a tasty kheer but not with too much of work, right? So those times we can prepare this easily. Once this mix of water and milk boiled well, we can add the roasted semolina into it. Just before adding, I am mixing a bit of milk into this semolina and just make it as a paste so that it will blend well into this mix. Let semolina cook well. After that we can switch off the flame. After that we can fry these dry fruits and add it into the semolina drink. Here I have taken cashew nuts and kismis. If you don't like this one, we can avoid this step. As a final step, we can fry some small onions also in the same way in ghee and add it into the semolina drink. And this is purely optional. If you don't like the taste of fried small onions, we can completely avoid. No issues at all. So our tasty semolina drink or our simple ghee is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please leave your comments below. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do that. Being subscribed to my channel gives you access to not only recipes, I do post a lot more interesting stuff. So stay tuned. I'll come back with another video soon. Till then, take care and stay blessed.